Shown here is the new 5-star emblem. It looks a bit more complicated than it really is. Installation takes no more than 5 minutes. Shown here is the original hood star on our project car. It's seen better days as the paint on the lower edge is starting to come off and there's a bit of corrosion on the star itself. Begin by opening the hood and looking up underneath the front. You'll see a metal tab at the very bottom of the hood star base as indicated by the green arrow. The direction of the tab in this picture is the locked position. Use a pair of channel locks to rotate the tab clockwise 90 degrees. You can now just pull the whole hood star up and off the hood. Shown here is the base of the hood star opening. Over the years, all kinds of crud collects in between the hood star and the hood. It's a good idea to clean this area up really well before you place the new hood star in position. Shown here is the new hood star fitted into the hood. Once in place, rotate the locking tab into the locked position. That's it. You're done. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.